Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, western Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:04 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Gallatin, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Lakewood, Westmoreland, Cross Plains, Portland, Old Hickory, Orlinda, Mitchellville, Cottontown, Bledsoe Creek State Park, Oak Grove, Bethpage and Green Hill. Intense rainfall will move across the Warren area, creating dangerous flash flooding during the overnight hours. Areas of concern include Madison Creek, Drake's Creek, Lower Station Camp Creek in Hendersonville, East Camp Creek and Town Creek in Gallatin, and Lower Bledsoe Creek, including Caxstallion Springs. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. If you are in the Warren area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life